Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bean and chickpea burger. If you want a healthy, protein-packed, nutritious vegetarian burger, then follow me as I show you how easily you can make this bean burger. The star ingredients of this burger are the beans. I have a can of chickpea, I hope you can see it, and a can of black beans. These are already cooked, and that saves me the hassle of cooking them. That is why I love this recipe so much, because it is easy, convenient and quick to make. The first step of this recipe is to process these beans. So I'm going to start off by running it through this mini food processor. I'm not going to make a paste of this. I still need a bite. So let me show you how to do that. And that's it. Just a rough chop, that's it. I'm going to transfer this into the mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to chop these or process these chickpeas. So now I have to say that all these, both the beans I have removed from the can, I have drained it and I have rinsed them. I don't want the canned juices in them. So let me now process it. These are done as well. And this is a consistency I'm looking for. And now I'm going to transfer it into this mixing bowl. Now I'm going to add all the seasoning mixture, spices to this bean mixture. I have garlic powder. I have onion powder. Some red chili flakes. You can add jalapeno or chopped green chilies as well if you want, if you don't want to use chili flakes, and cumin powder, salt, and to bind it I'm going to add quick oats and breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to mix them well. Actually, I'm going to use my hand so that I can squeeze when I mix them. Oh, it smells amazing. When it's mixed halfway through, I'm going to add some oil and then mix it again. And you can see it's coming together well now. The oats gives it texture. Now I'm going to grab a handful of this bean mixture and then form it into patties. Before I started, I applied some oil in both of my palms. And then I'm going to try to make it big enough to fit a burger roll. I finished making the patties and you can see I got 4 servings from that bean mixture, and these are good sizes. It's time to fry the bean patties, and I'm going to shallow fry them. I have already added oil and it has heated to the temperature I want, and now I'm going to shallow fry these burgers. You can bake them as well. I have instructions for that on my blog, and I'm going to put the link to that in the description below, so you can check that out. I'm going to allow this to brown on each side for about 2 minutes. I'm going to check and see if it has browned on the side, and yes, it has. So now I'm going to flip it over and cook the other side. Look at how beautiful it looks. It's perfectly browned. And I'm going to cook this on this side also for 2 minutes. Both sides are done. I can see it's nicely browned this side as well. So now I'm going to take it off the heat and drain it on some paper towels. These patties look absolutely amazing and perfect. The bean patties are ready and it's time to assemble them into a burger. I'm so excited. Let's do it. For the burger, I'm going to use Kaiser roll, and I'm going to first cut it into half. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of Kewpie mayo. You can add regular mayo. This mayo has a little bit of mustard in it. I like the taste. And just a little bit spread it. Now I'm going to place one patty over it. This bean patty. Look how gorgeous it looks. I'm going to add a piece of lettuce, chopped onion, some pickled jalapeno slices, and a piece of tomato. A teeny bit of ketchup and some more Kewpie mayo. Top it off, and here it is. Black bean chickpea burger. Look how amazing and delicious it looks, and I can't wait to try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for this nutritious vegetarian burger, and if you have, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, all the exact recipe with the exact measurements is up on my blog, and I'm posting a link in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Until next time, goodbye.